Back in 2006, HubSpot burst onto the scene to show businesses a new and better way to grow. HubSpot unleashes business potential in the digital era by harnessing the power of inbound, a human and holistic way of attracting, engaging, and delighting your customers and potential customers. But what's the best way to learn how to use inbound to fuel your business? HubSpot Academy teaches you how to use the strategies, tactics, and tools to grow fast and maximize your total business potential. As with any product or skill, knowing how to get the most out of it makes a big difference to your bottom line. That's exactly what HubSpot Academy does. You gain knowledge for optimizing all aspects of marketing, sales, and customer service, and the tools to help you best do that. Continue to grow your business with inbound because there are always new insights to accelerate your success and the success of your customers. And best of all, it's free. HubSpot Academy provides you with the free education to grow your business and your career. HubSpot Academy is the worldwide leader in inbound marketing, sales, and customer service education. We are people just like you, knowledgeable in all things inbound to help you and your business grow. All our training is done online, making it convenient to learn at your own pace and from wherever you are. It's easy to sign up for a free account and choose the topics you want to learn more about. There will be lessons and courses to complete that show you how to market, sell, and service in a human and helpful way. Now is the time. Sign up for a free HubSpot Academy account today and start to grow your business and your career with HubSpot Academy.